guys, it's Sunday evening. The temperature's dropping again, and I need to get one of these tractors out for tomorrow for hauling manure. I'll start early in the morning while it's still frozen, so we're going to do a cool start here on the 4250, and I bet it's probably about 30, 32, 33 degrees right now. I'm not sure really roughly, but it's chilly. And it's been chilly all day. So I don't know if she'll start or not. We're going to try her. And just to kind of warm up the oils a little bit, and so we're ready to go in the morning. Here's another gorgeous sunset over the farm. A couple clouds in the sky. Okay, we're about that didn't go very well. Give her another try and we might have to put the jumpers on her. A little smoke. She's cold. Well, they always say third time's a charm. We got a little Ford power. Boy, she's cold. No connection in that time, though. See what she does now. Still no connection. Well, so we sit here and wait for her to get a little bit of juice. She'll crank. Usually I would plug it in, but I thought it'd be warm enough yet tonight before the sun goes down. Fire up, warm her up a little bit, charge her up. They've been sitting for a little bit. Cold weather just takes everything out of these old girls. But she'll fire. Just watch. She does have 6,890 hours on her even. So you would crank a little bit grumpy too. We'll get her before the sun goes down. There we go. Close the ground here. Nozzle on the starter. Gotta make sure you have good connection. Boy, she does sound good. Listen how quiet the barn is. Always somebody. Yep, one's out. Usually when a calf gets up or out, it gets them all excited, so a little noisy. Now I know some of you won't believe this, but this 4250, with perfect conditions with the weights, I used to pull this, and that's what I used to do with my field work with. I bought this soil management system down in Deere country, and I was at their Adamstown store. I went down with my pickup, picked it up, and this is before we had any big tractors. But I knew we were going to get some big ones eventually. I bought it for the 4250. Now I did take the outside shank off. It's 11 shank. So I took the two outside ones off, and she pulled it. I mean, that's a workhorse. So I'm hooking it up here, moving it out of the way, and we're going to move it over here. I have to work on the one shank, and I'll go over what we need to do here. So this was my very first big workhorse here on the farm. This was purchased here at Deere Country, farming lawn out of Manheim, Pennsylvania, and Deere Country out of Adamstown, the John Deere 714 chisel. This tractor is my favorite tractor. A lot of you guys that are new subscribers here, I wanted to say thanks, special thanks to hitting us 26,000 plus. We continue to grow. Our goals for this tractor is put duals on it, skinnies, to put the sprayer on it. As soon as I come up with a plan, rims and everything for it, that will happen. I did take the wheel weights off this summer. It's more of a hobby tractor for me now, but this girl did some work on this farm. I have plans on putting fenders on the front of it, and just using it as a spray tractor. Like I said, there's only 6890 on it. So I brought it up here to turn around and just so you can see where we're at here a little bit with it. And I'm going to pull down and show you what I need to do to the chisel. Again, it's a 714, 11 shank. We did put brand new rims, brand new tires on it. But we have a little bit of a breakage, and it hasn't been a big issue to me, but we're going to fix it. We're going to need a new mount here, a new bolt. So we'll tear that apart. I've got it broke down here too on the plate, so just a couple items there to fix it up. I did put the points there. I'm not sure when it was, but they're good enough there to go for a little bit. So mainly I bought it for the tobacco ground, because you got to chisel the tobacco ground. And like I said, we used this tractor here, the 4250. All I did was take the two outside shanks off, made a 9 shank with all the weights on this big girl she would pull. So let's go down here and pull it down in the barn here, and where we can plug it in and move it a little easier. Back it up here. So we're going to let her sit here for tonight. I can plug her in, and then we'll pull it down in the shop when we're ready to work on it tomorrow sometime. Our goal is to haul manure, and I'm not sure if that's going to happen or not, but you know, it's always good to make goals, I guess, right? So again, special thanks to everybody that's new subscriber to our channel. Cold start on the 4250. It was a rough cold start. When the temperature gets cold, these batteries take a lot of cranking amps to turn these motors over. But with the Ford power, she's running. So biggest thing is getting your connections right. Like I said before, I always hook it on the step. I know a lot of farmers do that. Just hook it on, get a good connection here, and good connection on the starter, and she'll spin right over. First couple times I did not have a good connection, so there she is. What a workhorse. So I enjoy operating it, running it. I like the old sound of the older series. So I have a cord right here. I can plug it in tomorrow when we move it. So again, thanks a lot, guys, and I hope you guys have a great evening. And we'll see how tomorrow comes about. Talk to you later.